Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Today's video, guys, will be a video that will relate to any car. If your cruise control works, what could be the top 3 reasons for it not to work? Okay. This happens a lot, and some vehicles will be different, but the procedure is almost the same for all of them. First thing, guys, to check is a fuse. Check your manual, okay? If you have a fuse that relates to cruise control, sometimes it might be under transmission stability control. It could be something like that because some of the fuses are multifunctional fuses. They do a few things. Another thing, guys, that's very, very common is a brake light switch. This is a brake light switch and it's right above your brake pedal. So if you go upside down in your vehicle by the brake pedal, you'll find a brake light switch. And sometimes, even though your lights will be working, this one is actually giving signals, okay, to the cruise control when you hit the brake, right? It sends a signal to turn the cruise control off. But if it's not working, if it has a short in it, the cruise control will not work too because it doesn't detect when you hit the brake. So the lights might work, but the cruise control component might not work in it. Those are very inexpensive, super easy to replace most of the times. Another thing that people damage very often, okay, is the switch itself. Okay, I'm talking about, okay, let me get in the vehicle. Talking about cruise control switches right here. And what happens is, you spill something or you take your car for a detail, people will not be careful when they clean your car. They'll spray all kind of stuff to clean the plastic. They'll get the switch wet, and when that switch gets wet, it's not going to function anymore. So those are the top 3 reasons. Okay, very short video. Fuse number 1, brake light switch, or the switch, the control switch right here. Sometimes it's on the steering wheel, sometimes it's on the side. It depends on the model. But if you have problems, I hope that video will be helpful and save you some time. We will have specific video for most of the cars, so check out the channel. We are uploading videos all the time. Thank you for watching. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.